Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can export a JPEG from Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Let's say I want to export this frame over here as a JPEG. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into the color grading and make it a bit sharper so that it looks just a bit better. I'll increase the mid detail in the color wheels. I'll go to blur and lower that about 2.42, and as you can see now it looks a bit better. Now that we've done that, and let's say we want to export this how it looks like right now, we're going to go into the gallery, and as you can see it opens up this stills gallery over here. What we're going to do is right click on the preview and click grab still, and as you can see I have the still over here. Now just right click it and go into export. You can export it like that or export with display LUT. I'll just click export, and as you can see now you just need to locate the location where you want to save it, and just locate JPEG and set it to be a JPEG, title it whatever you want, and click export. And now if we go into that file, as you can see now we have this untitled JPEG, which is the exported frame that we wanted. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.